Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Quake Live. First, you will need to download the game client, which is readily available on personal computers. Once installed, create your player account and dive into the comprehensive tutorial. This will introduce you to the fundamental controls and movement mechanics, which are crucial for success. Quake Live is a classic, high-skill ceiling game, and understanding these initial steps is your first leap into its exhilarating world. Get ready for some intense arena action. Movement is paramount in Quake Live. Mastering techniques like strafe jumping and rocket jumping will give you a significant edge, allowing you to navigate maps at incredible speeds. Equally important is understanding weapon spawns and practicing rapid weapon switching to maximize your damage output. Don't forget about power-ups like quad damage and haste. Controlling these can turn the tide of any match. Effective use of these mechanics is key to dominating the arena and outmaneuvering your opponents. Quake Live offers a variety of exciting game modes, from the free-for-all chaos of deathmatch to the strategic teamwork of capture the flag. Each mode demands different tactics, but map control and item timing remain universally vital. Knowing when power-ups and weapons respawn, typically every 35 seconds for major items, allows you to control the flow of the game. Consistent practice with your aim and prediction will ensure you land those critical shots, regardless of the mode you choose. To truly excel, customize your game settings for peak performance and comfort. Experiment with different field of view settings, typically between 90 and 120 degrees, and crosshair styles to find what works best for you. Watching high-level players can provide invaluable insights into advanced strategies and map nuances. Finally, immerse yourself in the vibrant Quake Live community. Joining online groups and participating in friendly matches or competitive leagues will significantly enhance your skills and enjoyment of the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.